Hello folks, welcome to the Block of the Month headquarters. I'm Rob Appell from Stitchin, and I'm really excited to welcome you all to Taos Block of the Month. This is going to be an incredibly fun project using batiks and the pattern from the Whirligig Designs. Now this is, like I said, a 10-month Block of the Month program, and we're going to be sending you everything you need each month as you go along the ways. Of course, your first month is going to have the beautiful pattern with the gorgeous cover, and your month one instructions are going to be a page and a half worth of information. So I want to make sure you don't miss anything. As you come through, you're going to see we have the cutting information and the aligning information to build our fun little 4-patch blocks there. And then on the back, we have the rest of the information putting together for the piecing of the units. Now you'll be working from a wonderful pre-cut Block of the Month kit, and we've sent in our labels, and let me teach you one of my tricks. One of the things I do is I don't work from the top of my stacks. I set this aside and I work for the rest of them, so my label stays right where I need it until the very last piece is consumed. So you will have labels on all of your background fabrics as well as your small accents and your dark and medium colors. Make sure you know where those are at, but if you get confused by any reason, we also have a wonderful welcome letter. Has another picture of the quilt for you here. This is your invitation also to your Facebook group. Now the Facebook group is where we're going to spend a bunch of time in our communication in our quilting community, sharing stories, photos, encouraging each other. But it's a great place, and I want to encourage you to all make sure you're over there as well. The fabric key, this is something that you may need, and also I noticed that one of our pages here in our Block of the Month has a fun little chart where you can build your own fabric key as you go. So we've got many ways to stay organized in your Block of the Month. Of course, we'd encourage you to subscribe to the newsletter. That'll get you abreast of everything that's happening at Stitchin Heaven and stitchinheaven.com. And of course, if you need to update your billing information, we have all of that there covered for you. Like I said, this is going to be a beautiful Block of the Month project. I have seen and handled the physical quilt. It is just gorgeous. You're going to be learning some real fun, simple patchwork sewing designs. I'm just going to encourage you to keep up month after month. And if you need us, we're here for you. info@stitchinheaven.com. Call the customer service line or use your newsletter to reach out. Folks, enjoy your Block of the Month. We'll see you real soon.